Hey guys, good morning. Saturday, 7:20. I came to the office for a little bit. I'm gonna take care of some personal business later today, so I'm here for like 2 more hours. Been going through Keepa, didn't find anything interesting. Yesterday I found some stuff and ordered some. So today I'm gonna pack a few more orders that came in yesterday, and basically I think it's the first time that we didn't sell anything overnight, which is really surprising. So I just wanna show you what items we sold yesterday, not during the night. So we sold 8 items. 50 Shades of Grey, the book trilogy, another Pokemon, Commodore 64 game, and more Pokemons probably, didn't see that. The Beatles and the Yellow Submarine, the vintage Transformer, and the Sony. The Sony we sold already yesterday. Those 3 items we sold yesterday, I didn't pack them. So I'm gonna pack everything now, everything today. On Amazon, we sold 9 items. Nothing on our second store, but I want to share that we have on Amazon FBA 140 open orders, which is just crazy. I mean, they've been opening the gate. They opened the gates again to send some more FBA shipments, but they still backlog so much. So I don't know how it's supposed to work, but I think it's gonna be a few good months until they'll get back to, to the level they used to be. It's gonna be backlogged for a while now. Hopefully it won't be, but we'll see what happens. In the meantime, my FBA shipments got checked in and receiving, so most units are available now. So I don't know what they're planning to do, but they're fulfilling orders very slowly, which is understandable. But I would have kept the gates closed a little bit longer until all the backlog will be cleared. But what can you do? I think they know better than me, probably. So right now I'm gonna go and pack all the items. So I pulled all the eBay orders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Am I missing something? 9. Yeah, this one too. So this is, let's start from the beginning. This is the Sony. It doesn't work. It just turns on, and cassette doesn't play. So it's probably a belt, but I'm not so sure. So what we did is listed it for parts, and it sold for $250 and 25 shipping. So this is the first one. Second one is what we sold, the vintage Transformer, which is pretty cool. I think it's from the 80s. We sold this one for, I think, 20 and 5 shipping. Next one, we got the Beatles and the Yellow Submarine. They're bigger than I remembered. $60 and about $8 shipping on top. For those we got from a huge, there was a huge collector's house. He had, I think, hundreds of really cool items, snow globes and all sorts of Beatle and Simpson related stuff. So we picked up a few items. I think we paid about $250. We got a Simpsons Christmas. It was ceramic, made of ceramic, and we sold it for $450. And we had a Mary Poppins snow globe, and we sold it for $300. And we sold here and there a few other stuff for good money, over $50. And we still have some stuff. So this sold also for $70. We made a lot of money from that buy, but it was really cool. He had just a crazy house filled with crazy stuff. So this went for $60 and $8 shipping. We sold, I don't know why all of a sudden it sat here for a while, the Pokemon, the Meow and Meow 2. This is the Meow and two Meow 2s. Yeah. Sold them for I think $34 each. And that's it. I'm done with the Pokemon. We sold this. We got this from the auction house. We have just in a box. We had a Commodore stuff, a lot of Commodore stuff. We sold this game. It's really small. $24, $25. And what else? Oh, and we sold 50 Shades of Grey trilogy, new and sealed. I got this a very, very, very long time ago. We sold this for $26, $27. So that's it. I'm gonna pack those, and then later I'm gonna pull some Amazon Merchant Fulfill orders. Yeah, be on the lookout for all the Transformers. What you need to do, I'll show you how to identify if they're old or not. So what you need to do in order to identify if they're old or not, you have to open it. Usually you can find a print on their legs. I don't know if it zooms in, focuses pretty good, but if you can see, it says Hasbro and the year 1988. Yeah, 1988 Takara. So you just have to find the print. It usually has usually both legs has something. It's usually right next to their feet or on their back. So you just have to open it and find the print itself. It's usually, the old ones are Hasbro, Takara, and Nakai from the 80s. They go for pretty good money. It depends. The bigger they get, the more money they bring. I had just a lot of the small ones, so I got like 15, 20, 30 a piece, and I still have a box full, a small box full. So all the eBay orders are packed, small ones, and this thing I just I usually what I do is pack them with bubble wrap. It's inside, and then I cover it with cardboard on all sides, and then I wrap it with saran wrap. So it's really tight and snug, and the carriers will have to do their best to damage the item, even though they are trying, and sometimes they actually do damage items. So yeah, you gotta do the best to protect them. So I'm gonna put some foam in the box, and I'm gonna make it really snug and protect it as much as possible. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna pull Amazon merchant fulfill orders. Okay, so I pulled all the Amazon orders and finished packing this little one. This goes to Kentucky, which is not so far away, so shipping might be not as bad as it looks. Usually if this big of a package goes to like the West Coast, it's gonna cost a lot of money. So yeah, and I pulled Amazon orders. We sold a book, a couple of CDs, and some DVDs. Pretty nice ones, and I mean, I never heard of that one, but Bible, a lot of religious, war-related stuff sells for us right now. Oh, we sold just one CD. But yeah, those CDs are in terrible ranks. So whatever we sell, it's good. This one sold for 15, so it's nice. And also we sold one of the items we got off Amazon to flip on Amazon, so another $20 for those. And that's it. I'm gonna pack them right now. So it's done. Everything is packed for Amazon merchant fulfilled, eBay. So now I'm gonna just go and print all the labels. I'm gonna ship them today. It's Saturday. Post office is open for a little bit, and then I'm gonna list a few. I'm gonna take some pictures and list a few items on eBay, because I ran out of drafts of ready to list drafts. So that's what I'm gonna do next. So I'm about to leave. Very short day. I was here like only 3 hours, 3.5 hours. So everything is packed. eBay and Amazon, and I took pictures of the Department 56. All of the Department 56 houses and accessories and figures that we had. We got them at the auction house. I think we paid 50 for everything, maybe 60. Really, like nothing. I mean, we have about 50 pieces, I think, 40 or 50 pieces. So I think we roughly paid $1, between $1 and $2 for each one, and we sold already a few of them. So I took pictures of those and some picture of like DVD sets. I mean, like complete series and stuff like that for eBay. Just so I'll have some more items to list, because we try to list daily, but I think we're gonna be running out of inventory to list pretty soon. But maybe I'll go sourcing Monday. Maybe I have a lead coming up, so I'll have to look into that. So that's it. I'm gonna go and deal with some personal stuff, and that's it for today in the office. But I'm gonna do some more work at home, dealing with the maintenance, bookkeeping, and stuff like that. Just the usual business things that you need to take care of basically daily. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Have a good weekend. And of course, it's gonna be in the 60s and just the perfect weather to go outside and, you know, be with the family outside and travel. But yeah, we're quarantined, so straight home.